How to protect ourselves from sudden heart attacks. First, a healthy diet is important for good heart health. Secondly, physical activity should be part of your daily routine. Visit your doctor for a regular health checkup. Keep monitoring the heart rates. Update health reports to your doctor regularly. How to share health reports with your doctor anytime. Use healthcare wearables. Measure heart rates with healthcare wearables, and share report with your doctor. Wishing you joy, wellness, and smiles.